Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change Facebook page password. Now before we continue, I want you to know that there's no separate password specifically for a Facebook page, because to access and manage your Facebook page you use your Facebook account password. You have one account, multiple pages, so you can administer multiple Facebook pages within a single Facebook account. Your account password provides access to all the pages you manage, simplifying the login process. So in essence, your Facebook account password is the key to accessing and managing all your Facebook pages. Let me show you how to change that particular password. The first thing you do is open up your Facebook app. Next thing, you click on your profile. Not for create a password actually, for up here. Yeah, you click on the profile. Then the next thing you do, you can choose to click on the three dots at the corner, and then you click on privacy center, and then you scroll down to manage your accounts, and then you can see password and security. Click on it and you see change password, so you choose the account, and then you now change the password by putting the current password, then you put in the new password, and you type the new password, you click on change password. It's as simple as that. That is how to change Facebook page password. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more.